it is my pleasure to introduce MIUI 12 for India. MIUI 12 gets rolled out to pretty much all the Xiaomi phones out there. We've gone deep, we've tweaked things at the kernel level to offer you a really cool, smooth experience that I'm sure you would love. We have enabled advanced color blending and Gaussian blur, which just elevates the entire material richness of the operating system. We also have more dynamically rounded corners. Every time you touch the screen, you'll get a nice visual, tangible feedback, and every movement will actually seem real. The icons mimic real-life objects. We have added new visuals to icons and transition animations that have become smoother than ever. Now, every time you check the weather on the weather app, you will actually see what you might end up seeing outside the window in terms of real-life weather conditions, be it rain, storm, thunder, snow, what have you. With layered icons, you get a real-life feel for the specific app icon that you're using. We now have a whole new control center and a completely different notification shade. With MIUI 12, we've taken inspiration from outer space and brought that to life using a feature called Super Wallpapers on MIUI 12. With MIUI 11, we brought dark mode to all the system apps using the system-wide dark mode. We take that one step further with pretty much most third-party apps being able to support dark mode. We now have a built-in app drawer that you can access from the home screen, which very cleanly categorizes all the apps you have and offers many customization possibilities. We've come up with this innovative feature, which is right now available on the Mi 10. The Magic Clone feature creates virtual doppelgangers to make images or videos a lot more interesting. The camera also has an all-new UI. We have tried to simplify the interaction by carefully designing the UI so that all the professional features are laid out in front of you, intuitive, easy to access. You get to decide what metadata of the pictures and videos that you shoot, you get to share with your friends and family. The MIUI 12 comes with a built-in universal casting tool, which can help you cast pretty much everything that you do on your phone. The floating windows feature will truly make you fall in love with multitasking on your phone, and I promise this is gonna make you super productive. With the ultra battery saver mode, you can get up to 5 additional hours of battery performance. The MIUI 12 is a big step forward. Stay tuned to our social media channels and we'll keep you posted on all the new and cool things that we're gonna add into MIUI 12.